then we produced at our graphic studio called Wildcat a graphic novel for His Holiness the Dalai Lama. This book is about his life since he was born up to date. And we were very lucky that His Holiness blessed this book today, him personally. And the release of the book is planned for May in Europe and in September in all English and French-speaking countries and Czech Republic. We worked on the book like last 2 years. And actually, it was my idea during the COVID times because I was locked in my summer house without my family for 2 weeks, and I was listening a lot of teachings of His Holiness because I was his fan and admirer since I was a little boy, and then I realized that maybe I can also do something to help him to go on his path. So that's why the book is called The Path of the Dalai Lama. And we decided to make a graphic novel which will show or introduce his story for maybe the younger audience, because a lot of my children didn't know who the Dalai Lama is. So I said, like, wow, even if my kids don't know, and I'm actually having his picture at home, so I felt like that we should do something about it, and we decided to use graphic novel as a tool to share his story, because there were awesome movies based on His Holiness, and not so many graphic novels, so we tried our best. I would like to say, because in my country was also under occupation for 40 years by Russian army, and I'm glad that we did the Velvet Revolution, non-violent violent revolution, and so my message to Tibetan people is that we are with you, and we hope for the best of all Tibetans in Czech Republic, and you are welcome to join us or visit us anytime.